What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy J to the R. In this video, we gonna show you how to use chord pads to make a beat, or at least to make a melody in Cubase Elements. So you don't know how to play piano or keyboard, you don't know how to do nothing, you know nothing about music theory. That's okay, because Cubase kind of made it simple for you. And they have a track that's called a edit view that's called chord pads, and on that you will see you have various chords displayed: A minor, E7, D7, G7, E minor, D minor, and so forth. Now you can use these chords to make melodies either with your mouse, or if you have a MIDI controller, you can do that as well. Now, how are you going to access this? You want to make sure that you have, first of all, that you have the bottom half of your screen showing. That way you're going to see these menu options at the bottom, and then you want to click on the one that has chord pads. Now I'm going to use Halion, however you want to pronounce it. We're going to use that particular VST to demo this, and we have a piano sound loaded up. Well, we don't, I do. And I have a MIDI controller up just to kind of make things a little bit easier, but you don't need it. You can bang it out with your mouse if you want to. It just may be a little bit easier with the MIDI controller. Now, if you want to get your melodies going, it's really simple. All you have to do is, first you kind of want to figure out what it is you're trying to do. Set your tempo and figure out what it is you want to try to do. So I'm going to play this on my keyboard. See? So now we got an A minor. Boom, I think we have something. So let's go and get this started. We got the metronome on to make sure that we stay in time. Let's go. Boom, you got a melody just like that. Now we're gonna have to quantize this for sure, because I was playing it like garbage. So what we're gonna do, come over here, boot, we quantize it, but we're gonna be off because this first bar need to be lined up like that. Now let's play it and see what it sounds like with the metronome on. Oh, forgot to do this row. Let's do this row. Bring it back. Although that could have been an option, So we're gonna slow that down a little bit. That's too fast if you ask me. Let's see here. That's what I was trying to do. So let's go back. Here we go. Now what you want to do when you're doing this, you got to make sure you end on whatever note it is that's going to resolve that tension. So for instance, if I was going to start on A, sometimes the easy way to do it is just to go back to the original chord that you started with. And that kind of resolved it. But you can figure it out. You'll figure it out. That's where the creativity comes in. But let's go back to what we got here. Now I already know I'm going to have to quantize this. Should have did it on the way in because it's going to be off. So we're going to highlight all of that and bring it back to 2. Now this should be correct. Ooh. Boom, you got a whole melody. Now all we're gonna do is bring that up to chop it down, and you see that's an 8-bar melody. So we resolve that chord progression in 8 bars. Now all you gotta do is you just wanna keep it simple because you just now starting out and you wanna see how it's gonna really sound. Let's add some hi-hats, and let's add a kick, and let's add a snare. and I'll let you know. We're gonna show you how it's gonna do. In fact, we're just gonna program the snare in. That's 2 bars. Boop, bop, bop. Gonna come over here. Make sure we got it on pencil. I usually do it at change that to 8. I usually do it at, cut that. Only like 2 bars. And then we're gonna copy and paste that out to that 2 bars. Boom. Now we can duplicate that out to the rest of that. We'll do a snare. Snare is usually pretty easy. So we'll draw that. And there's several ways that you can do what I'm doing right now. This is just the way that I choose to do it. And we're gonna go, the snare is gonna be in the middle of, the easy way to remember where to put a snare, especially if you're doing it like double time, meaning like 140, 120 and whatnot, is just to put it in between the bars that you have set. So in this case, 1 bar is 2 to 1. We got to line it right in the middle. That's all you need to do. Now you can come out here and just duplicate it. Now the creativity comes in when you start adding variations. Boom. Then we're gonna add a little kick. Kick, I'll do it maybe 2 bars or whatnot. We'll do it 2 bar. Let's see here. Let's get that back. I need to. That didn't have to. Boom, that's good enough for that. We'll do that out. And while we're on a roll, let's just add an 808. Yeah, yo. Let's add a 808. Ooh, that's funky. And we're gonna do it like that. I have to make sure, try to find the right key. We'll start out in C. I think these are all C. Boom. Let's just duplicate that out. Not like that though. We talking about this right here. And then see what that sounds like. And we're gonna add something. Let's flavor it up a little bit. All right, let's see what that sounds like, folks. See what we got here. Hey. Ooh. And there you have it. Simple melody, just like that. You got the basses down to start a hot beat, and that's all you got to do. And really, you could stop right there. Really, you could stop right there. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, I got that money in my pocket and I know you want it. I see these haters looking, yeah, so you know I flown it. I know you're looking at me and you want these dollars. I see your girl over there, she wanna holler. I was told that she really like to swallow. But I'm like, shit, why bother? This your boy J to the R. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.